Before you replace your cylinder head, it's good practice to make sure that the sealing surface is nice and flat to ensure a gas tight seal. How can we do that? Well, the manual says we can run a straight edge across it, but that's easier said than done. It's not very easy to tell whether it's flat or not. And what if you find out that it's not flat? Well, I'll show you a simple way to skim the head at home or deck the head at home before you replace your cylinder head. So what I've got is a piece of old glass, and I've taped down with some 100 mile an hour tape, some duct tape, a piece of fine wet and dry paper. With the cylinder head, I've just put some marks on it with a Sharpie. You can use die chem. You can use die chem if you have die chem, or just a Sharpie will do. You don't really need to use anything. It's just to show on the video how the head's progressing. And then what I'm going to do, I'm just going to spray some. You can use oil, water. I've just got some spray similar to WD-40 type spray. Then what I'm going to do, simply put the head onto the paper and give it a very light turn. Just very, very light. Have a quick look. So I've been doing it just for a few seconds, not very long. If you can see on the camera, the high spots are gradually being removed, but we've still got some low spots around here, so we'll keep going a bit longer, taking off as little amount of material as possible. This cylinder head was in pretty poor condition, so it took quite a few minutes, but the end result, I think you'll agree, it looks really good. Now hopefully this can return to the engine and give a good gas tight seal. Ideally you would do the top of the cylinder as well, and also make sure this is given a really good thorough cleaning before you replace it to the engine. You don't want any metal shavings. Obviously these valves were removed. I've been doing something else, so you don't need to remove the valves. This is just an old head that I've been working on. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon in the next video.